Welcome to Salon's Market. Today, we're walking through our daily discounts feature, designed to help salon owners fill last-minute cancellations and slow periods effortlessly. If you're looking to turn those empty slots into cash, this video is for you. First, let's get set up. Log into your Salon's Market dashboard and navigate to the Daily Discounts section. Here, you'll enable the Daily Discounts feature, which lets you set discounts for open slots in real time. Once enabled, you'll want to set up your discount parameters. These can range from 10% to 25%, depending on your preference and service type. You can also set notification preferences, so nearby clients get instant alerts when you list a discount. Now that your setup is complete, let's look at how to use daily discounts in your day-to-day operations. Start by checking your schedule each morning. Identify any open slots due to cancellations or expected slow periods, like midday dead hours. When you spot a gap in your schedule, click to list it with a daily discount. For best results, post the discount at least 3 hours in advance to give clients time to book. Let's set a discount. I recommend starting with 15%, but you can adjust based on your needs. If no one books within an hour, try increasing the discount slightly to make the slot more attractive. As soon as you post the discount, notifications go out to nearby clients. When someone books the slot, you'll receive an instant confirmation on your dashboard, and they'll receive a reminder before their appointment. With everything in one place, you can easily monitor each discount listing and see the bookings in real time. After each service, it's a good idea to follow up with clients who booked through daily discounts. You can use this as an opportunity to ask for feedback, encourage future bookings, or even offer loyalty incentives. To get the most out of daily discounts, keep these best practices in mind. Set discounts thoughtfully. Start small and adjust based on demand. Timing matters. Post early for morning cancellations and schedule dead hours at least a day in advance. Select popular services. Discount high margin or popular services to fill spots quickly. Engage new clients. Use follow-ups to invite clients back for full price appointments. Salon's Market's daily discounts make it easy to turn cancellations into cash, fill slow hours, and bring new clients through the door. With just a few clicks, you can boost revenue and maximize your schedule. To start using daily discounts, log into your Salon's Market account, set up your discounts, and watch your empty slots fill up. For more tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Happy booking! Visit salonsmarket.com. Contact us at support@salonsmarket.com.